Welcome to Brinson Ford Lincoln Mercury, a National President Award winner and certified Blue Oval dealer.
Check out this 2007 Toyota Tacoma. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle:
Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
To schedule a test drive, call us at 903-676-5200. Remember that all Brinson Ford pre-owned come with a minimum of a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty.